Ciao world! This is a bass amplifier that I've built using a throw-it-away JBL subwoofer. There are the controls up here and the speaker here. The speaker in the original design was put inside and there's just an hole for the bass reflex, but I have cut a bigger hole and I 3D printed a ring to fix this grill here. That is a mosquito grill, and then I apply this texture with vinyl glue, and there's the bass reflex here. So the amplifier is powered by this transformer here that is plus minus 30 volts that has been rectified to plus minus almost 18 volts DC, and they are used for this TDA 2030 amplifier. It's a small amplifier because this con here doesn't have that much wattage. And then I keep 9 volts to supply the preamplifier here. The preamplifier is based on the Tillman design, and the tone stack is based on a PV amplifier design. There is also a compressor here, a simple compressor based on a optos isolator. So it's look like this, and later I will show you how it sounds. So there's the input, the low, the middle, the treble. I have also had this one, I forgot to tell you, this is just a gain switch. It's a simple capacitor that growth gain a little bit, and the main volume.